1,
I'm a salesperson. I sell computers. I like my job. It's really interesting. And I meet lots of interesting people.
2,
Yes, I like it a lot. I like acting in front of lots of people. One day, I hope to write a book about my work.
3,
It's an interesting job, and it's good for me because I love travel and flying. I visit lots of countries every year. And well, I know it's silly, but I like my uniform.
4,
It's a good job for me because I like food and I love cooking. Lots of famous people come to our restaurant too.
5,
Nursing is a good job for me. I like helping people. You know, sick people.
6,
I like my work because I work outside. It's hard work, but the pay's good, and it keeps me in shape.